Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Ravichandran, an option strategist and technical trader with passion towards reading charts. Through this channel, I am sharing my technical analysis of stocks, commodities, currency and major global indices. Stay tuned to get detailed technical analysis of charts and powerful trading strategies. Let's learn and earn through this excellent wealth creation platform of technical trading. In this video, I am going to discuss technical outlook of Nifty, Bank Nifty and stock ideas for the coming weeks. Kindly watch the video till the end to get the complete information of how to trade with technical levels. If you have not subscribed to this channel yet, kindly subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon for all video updates. Coming to the technical analysis of Nifty, if we look at the daily chart, since February 2021, Nifty was traveling in a downward channel until second week of May 2021. After that, Nifty gave a breakout from this downward channel and started moving forward. After crossing successfully the resistance of 15,300 to 15,400, Nifty once again struck in a range of 15,600 to 15,900 on closing basis till last week. Nifty continuously trying to break both the resistance and support levels of 15,600 and 15,900. Any break beyond this range and sustain, the direction will be on that side. The support levels are seen around 15,300 to 15,400. Below that, we can see the next support zone around 14,900 to 15,000. On upside, if we see the resistance levels are seen around 15,900 to 16,000. Coming to the technical levels to watch for Nifty in the coming weeks, 15,900 and 15,600 important levels to watch in the coming weeks. Trend looks bearish if Nifty breaks below 15,600 and sustain. Trend looks bullish if Nifty breaks above 15,900 and sustain. The resistance levels are seen around 15,900, 15,970 and 16,100. The support levels are seen around 15,600, 15,510 and 15,370. Let's see if Nifty break out above 16,000 or it break down below 15,600 and move towards the support zone. Coming to the technical outlook of Bank Nifty for the coming weeks. If we look at the weekly chart of Bank Nifty after gave breakout above 32,500, it quickly moved towards the resistance zone 37,100 to 37,700 and started consolidating from that levels and quickly reached back to the previous breakout zone of 32,500. Now Bank Nifty is consolidating with a triangle pattern and the pattern is not yet directional either on upside or on the downside. We need to wait and watch if Bank Nifty along with Nifty give a breakout on the upside or breakdown on the downside. In that case, the support levels on downside are seen around 31,900 to 32,500 and resistance level above this triangle breakout seen around 37,100 to 37,700. As both Nifty and Bank Nifty had a consolidation of almost 2 months on June and July, this month August most probably will be an interesting month to watch if a breakout happens on both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let's wait and watch. Coming to the technical levels to watch for Bank Nifty for the coming weeks. 35,200 and 34,100 very important level to watch in the coming weeks. Trend looks bearish if Bank Nifty breaks below 34,100 and sustain. Trend looks bullish if Bank Nifty breaks above 35,200 and sustain. The resistance levels are seen around 35,200, 36,000 and 37,700. The support levels are seen around 34,100, 33,300 and 32,500. Now let's move on to the stock ideas for the coming weeks. The first stock to focus is Sun TV Network. Sun TV, after facing a stiff resistance of 550, last week it overcame this resistance and closed above this resistance level. If it continued to hold this level of 550, it has good chance to move forward. Sun TV bullish above 585 with stop loss 510. The support levels are seen around 510, 450 and 400. The resistance levels are seen around 655, 725 and 800. Next stock to focus is VIP Industries Limited. VIP Industries facing stiff resistance around 425 levels. If it successfully overcome this resistance in the coming weeks, it has a good chance to move forward. VIP Industries bullish above 438 with stop loss 390. The support levels are seen around 390, 340 and 300. The resistance levels are seen around 480, 520 and 560. Next stock to focus is Amara Raja Batteries Limited. Amara Raja Batteries Limited, after hitting a high of around 1000 levels, it had a steep fall towards its previous support zone of around 700. Now again it is taking support around these levels and continuously holding for a few weeks. If it continuously holds this support level of around 700, it has good chance to bounce back towards its resistance levels. So Amara Raja Batteries bullish above 730 with stop loss 690. The support levels are seen around 690, 650 and 600. The resistance levels are seen around 790, 870 and 970. I am following certain rules and discipline in my trading. I would like to share with the viewers on how to trade the technical levels of stocks, which helps in controlling our trading emotions. The first rule is don't catch up and avoid stocks which gaps up or gaps down above 1 to 2% of the technical levels mentioned for trading. The next rule is wait for the technical levels mentioned in this presentation strictly to enter your trade. The next important rule is once we initiated our trade, kindly maintain strict stop loss. The next point is the stop loss whatever I mentioned here are on weekly closing basis. I mean I will wait till the end of the week whenever the price closes below the stop loss level mentioned. The traders shall use daily close as well for stop loss based on your risk and patience level. The most important rule like stop loss is please don't wait for support and resistance levels for targets because those are just reference levels. Kindly book partial profits often after a considerable move, that is some 1 to 2% based on your money management, and adjust your stop loss to the break even so that which will reduce risk and increase our profit. Disclaimer: my views or suggestions in this channel are based on the theory of technical analysis and personal observations. It is only general view with reference to previous information for education purpose. This does not claim for sure or certain profits or any fixed returns. Viewers are kindly advised to take positions at your own risk and responsibility for any losses. If this video is useful, kindly share to other traders. You shall subscribe to my channel for all video updates related to global technical charts. You shall also follow me on Twitter at Ravi Charts. Stay cautious, stay safe, happy trading. Thank you.